Hi everybody, it's Valentine's Day, love is in the air. Let's talk about prenups. I'm Liz Selmo, I'm a partner at Tucker Family Law, and I want to talk a little bit about some of the benefits of prenuptial agreements. So one of the things that I think is most amazing about prenups is that you don't even actually have to enter into one to get some of the benefits of a prenup, right? Because a lot of what value a prenup provides is in actually doing the mental work of thinking through some of the things that that happen once you get married, right? So a lot of people, the majority I would say, get married with a general sense of what marriage what the impact of marriage is on their legal rights and responsibilities, right? There's a general sense of, earnings are shared. Maybe people think that there's equal ownership of property at that point. Maybe there's some understanding of what happens if somebody has premarital assets or inherits things during the marriage, but there's probably a lot of unanswered questions if folks really sat down and thought about it. And I think it's interesting. I think in prior generations, it was much more common to do sort of like premarital counseling, which of course at that point would have had, probably more of an emphasis on like spiritual, emotional components of marriage, but definitely also would ask some tough questions for couples to work through together before getting married. And I think a prenup or even contemplating one can have some of those benefits as well. Obviously, taking it to the next step and solidifying some decisions that the couple makes together can also go a long way, not only to curbing arguments down the road that might arise if there's a separation or a divorce or, God forbid, a death during the marriage, but also to give sort of a roadmap for how decisions will be made, how often the couple's financial situation will be reviewed, what information will be shared. So it can really be a guide towards a really healthy dialogue throughout the marriage, so that everybody feels comfortable and there's no one size fits all. Every couple is going to be different. The assets that they have, the information that each party has will be different. But having a prenup or even going through the homework, so to speak, that one would do if they were going to have a prenup can be really helpful to empowering both members of the couple and setting them up for success. I really enjoy drafting prenuptial agreements. I love that they're so personalized to the couple, that they can be very simple and straightforward, or that they can be really detailed and specific. Again, it really just depends on the couple and what they feel they need to be starting off on the right track. So congrats to all you lovebirds. There's so many newly engaged people this time of year. People are planning their summer weddings. So maybe if you or someone you know is in that phase, suggest a prenup or at least consulting an experienced family law attorney about them. Good luck.